Hi there, my name is Beth and I'm a pelvic health physiotherapist at Proactive Pelvic Health Center, and I work at the East End Clinic. Today we're going to be doing part 3 of our 3-part series on leg lifts. So this is a more advanced, challenging modification of leg lifts. This is something that most people will have had to work towards, starting with part 1, part 2, these easier variations, until they've been able to build to this exercise. It is safe to do if done correctly, right? So whenever in doubt, please go see your physiotherapist for guidance, because these types of exercises are the ones that we so often see people doing incorrectly. And by incorrectly, I mean engaging their outer abdominals, but not the inner abdominals, and therefore creating pressure into their abdominal wall or downward on their pelvic floor, which can lead to issues long term, okay? So core is one of those things that is so important to be doing correctly, and it's really challenging to do correctly. So just being aware of, when you need a bit more guidance, it's so important, so you don't cause yourself any harm in the process of trying to do good for your body. So we're going to go into this final part 3 series. Okay, so as always, we're just going to do a quick review on how to engage the inner core. We're going to start with a diaphragmatic breath in through the nose to lengthen. So we breathe in to ribs and belly to relax everything down. And then as we breathe out through pursed lips, we contract pelvic floor gently, visualize pulling your hip bones together, and then belly button draws in towards spine. Okay, so we have those 3 cues working all together. And again, I always like people using index and middle finger on the inside of their hip bones when possible, so that they get that good feedback. So we're going to breathe in. Exhale, engage core. Okay, so we're all activated. We're going to bring our legs up, both straight and extended here. Core is engaged. We're going to inhale to drop a leg down, exhale to bring it back up. To make this more challenging, you would drop the legs a little bit lower towards the ground. And that is part 3 of our series. I hope you enjoyed the series and found it helpful. If you have any questions or concerns when it comes to core strengthening, please come see us at Proactive Pelvic Health Center. Core is a lot of what we focus on and what we work on, and we always make sure pelvic floor is functioning well in those movements. So if you have questions or concerns, you know where to find us. Thanks for listening.